ISO 13485-2016 is the most widely used international standard for quality management systems, or QMSs, in the medical device industry. This standard allows companies to demonstrate their ability to provide medical devices and related services that consistently meet customer needs and regulatory requirements. ISO 13485-2016 is frequently used by organizations involved in the medical device lifecycle, the design, development, and production, and by suppliers who provide raw materials or components for the manufacture of medical devices. It can also be used by other parties that provide medical devices or offer a service to patients and end users. The requirements of ISO 13485-2016 complement the technical requirements for devices that are necessary to ensure a device's safety and performance and meet all applicable regulatory regulations. In this course, you will learn how a QMS can help your organization commit to manufacturing quality medical devices. QMS is mainly about quality, safety, and performance, but it is also about the efficiency of your operations. As such, designing your QMS is one of the most important choices you will ever make about creating a competitive advantage for your organization. Our recommendation: before we start with the QMS concepts for medical devices, avoid creating unnecessary operational bottlenecks for your system. If you specify something in your QMS that goes beyond the requirements of current regulations and standards, you will have to do it. As a rule of thumb, don't specify unnecessary checks or reviews. Do what is needed, but don't go overboard with just-in-case functions. Why? Every review you specify will need to be documented. That equals time spent on extra documentation, time that you could spend productively for other tasks. For example, don't have unnecessary people sign documents, as getting those signatures will become a hurdle and a burden to everyone involved. However, do not immediately discard any clauses of common standards and regulations if they seem like they may not apply to your medical device at first. Ask yourself why it might still apply, or with what restrictions it could apply. You will be sure to discover new aspects of these requirements that you should take into consideration. A medical device QMS is a set of policies, procedures, and processes that are implemented by the manufacturer to ensure that their products consistently meet applicable regulatory and legal requirements, as well as any internal standards and specifications. A QMS is a system designed to provide assurance to regulators, healthcare providers, and patients that the medical devices produced by the manufacturer are safe, effective, and fit for their intended purpose. The medical device QMS is typically based on the ISO 13485-2016 standard, which outlines the requirements for a comprehensive QMS for the design and manufacture of medical devices. This standard covers all aspects of the medical device manufacturing process, from design and development to production and distribution to post-market surveillance and continuous improvement. The QMS is essential for ensuring that medical devices are safe, effective, and fit for their intended use. By implementing this system, medical device manufacturers can provide assurance to regulators, healthcare providers, and patients that their products are of the highest quality and can help to build trust and confidence in their brand. ISO 13485-2016 is the international standard for the QMS of medical devices. The standard is the state-of-the-art solution you should follow, claim compliance to, and get certified to if you belong to the medical device industry. This standard also offers a way of defining, performing, and recording the operations of an organization engaged in a medical device business. The QMS set up by the organization provides a framework for these tasks and incorporates a notion of continuous improvement via a process of analyzing past performance and making appropriate improvements based on the analysis and trend data.